We have reading rooms and work areas that you can use on every floor of the library. The library is open 24/7 during the fall and winter semester. If you come after 11 p.m., be sure to bring your Concordia ID. Let's look at some of the spaces on the third floor and see what's best for you. You can find bright spaces all over the library that are open to all students where you can work alone or in groups. You don't need to reserve these spots, and it's okay to talk. We also have group study rooms where you can collaborate on course projects. Be sure to book these in advance on the library website. As well, there are presentation practice rooms with all the technology you need to perfect your presentation skills. You can also record your presentations to use for virtual assignments or conferences. The library also has reading rooms and other designated quiet areas where you can go to focus on reading or working. Want to think, meditate, or relax in a quiet space? The third floor has a zero-noise room that provides a peaceful oasis for quiet reflection. No keyboards or talking are permitted. The third floor also hosts the Visualization Studio, a space for research and teaching with an impressive 9-meter wall of interactive touchscreens and an immersive audio system. For bookings and upcoming events, head to the Visualization Studio webpage. You find a lot more open study space, reading rooms, and group study rooms on the fourth floor. Let's head up to the fifth floor to see what spaces we have for Concordia graduate students.